Well, today's the day after it, and I'm gonna film this with my phone, so it looks like shit. That's why. But I'm gonna start taking it apart and figuring out what I really need. I know I need a body, a shock, and the rear wheel. I know that's a must, but I really need a quarter panel. If I can just find a quarter panel, we can put one on it and fix that. But I'm gonna start taking apart. I'm gonna start taking the front apart. We got lucky, I think. I don't think any of the control arm stuff is really out of whack. I mean, everything looks normal. It travels and tracks straight. We know the rear ends. It's got a bracket that's broke. But I'm gonna get all this, cut all this off, and we're gonna pull the motor and trans out. I do know the front plate's bent because it broke right here and it bent it, but everything else is, and I'm pretty sure, luckily I think it just bent the mid plate just a little. So I mean, it did what it was supposed to do. But we're gonna whack them off and take all this off, take the core support off, and then whack the horns off, and then I think everything up front will be fine. We're gonna pull the engine out and the trans, and then we're going to work on the back, and then hopefully once I get the rear end out and everything, we're going to bolt the body and pull it off. But as of right now, that's what I'm doing. I am looking for a body from a 72 or 78 to 82. I'm looking for one of them. I don't know if I want to call Jeff and see if he can fix my rear shock because the shaft's bent on it. But everything, well, actually, I mean, the only thing that's messed up here is really the front. And, but from here back is we're going to cut everything off and redo it. So, and redo it and make it better. So, everything from here forward is pretty much good. So I'm going to start working on that, and as I take stuff off, if I find anything, I'll let y'all know. I'm going later to get a stick chrome molly, but a few of my buddies are coming over and start working on it. So figure out what we need and what I need to do to rebuild it. So the money's just going to have to wait a minute. I'm going to fix this, and then we'll start working on that thing. So, you know, there's half of my hood. It's probably pretty cool. Piece would be cool wall art for somebody. I got the other half in the back. So, but we're gonna get to work. So I'll let y'all know if I find anything else. Well, we're coming down. We're going to have to pull the motor out of it. I took the doors and we just pulled the trans out when Hunter and Doss got here. We pulled the trans out. He's been working on everything in the back, taking out. But I took the dash out and the doors out and got majority of the wires out. Anyway, don't let it all the way down, Doss, because we're going to have to slide that under there to yank it out. All I got to do is undo the front bolt stud.
Yeah, I'm going to cut that. Yeah.
Well, I got to cut this bar, but then we got to undo the bolts there. But everything's about to come out. And we got, so far it's everything we're still thinking. You know, but we're gonna whack this dude off here. We got the fuel system almost all the way out. The dry shaft wasn't bent, nothing. But right now I just really need a body so we can go off of it. Dad, what do you think? So's mine. So's mine. But all we gotta do is undo the front and then cut this bar out, then we yank it out.
I don't want to say till y'all get the rest of that apart, you know?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna be good.
Yep.
I think you are. But I don't know. You still got a lot of work to do.
Yep. Got a lot to pull out of it.
Well, I'm gonna
Cut this bar up here.
we gotta cut this bar.
But we're gonna cut this bar out, then we yank it out, then I'll come back and show y'all some more. So, alright. going down. What are you into now?
The frame rail.
Frame rail? Cut it right here in the middle. That's what somebody said earlier, just fucking how they pull them out and then we can take all this off.
Your battery boxes did alright.
Hey, I welded them. Get a 9/16.
There's
Huh?
What happened? What happened?
I know what happened.
I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Here, hey.
It's logged on that too.
I got you. Oh, you big strong man, you.
You know what big muscles mean, right?
Steroids. Rawr.
Jordan's back along.
No, hey, get that hammer.
Ah, I shouldn't have said that. Got the clip.
Well, in approximately 10 minutes, we've done made it look better.
Right.
Said in approximately 10 minutes, we done made the back of the car look better.
Weird off.
What? Huh? I know I'm missing something, but it looks better. We got the back of it kind of cut off now. Cutting the bars now as we speak. Dad's putting his on the hoist. But everything up here, it looks pretty damn square. So nothing looks out of whack besides we gotta finish cutting them off. But we're going from here, and hopefully when we get this body off, everything looks better. Gosh dang! I cut the damn tube. I was doing so good. You know, just have hanging quarters. You know, so where I ain't got to hug the whole thing, whack it off there. I was talking about the quarter panel like this one.
I didn't take that boat, but
What boat?
boat on the quarter panel here, I cut it off.
Oh, I cut it off. It's loose. I broke this shock.
Yeah, I seen that when I looked under it.
Yeah,
It looked pretty rough.
It's broke. It broke a tab on the lower here. It broke that. I don't know if it got the wheel.
Looked like it bent it a little bit.
I think it's just a bead-lock.
Is it?
Just to be
I think it's just a bead-lock on the wheel. I think I can get a re-bead-lock. I think. But, yeah, Hunter cut it.
Yeah, let's go 100 Jordan.
I think I need a little bit more than a light can. I think we're ready to pull the body off though. I think I got to that. The engine, I think it's fine. The front end is fine. I need a doghouse. That's my least square. I need a body. I got a few bodies I found.
It ain't fine.
Roofing quarters.
It's tore up bad.
Yeah, roofing quarters.
Yeah, and we're gonna take the body off and then cut it. I think we're gonna cut it one more time up here, and the body's off it. We're gonna pull the rear end out of it, and I'm gonna take it all the way apart. And then we're gonna cut that side off. And get a phone call. Who the hell's calling me? My phone has been blowing up nonstop. Lonnie Middleton. What have they got? Dad, Lonnie's calling me.
Hey.
All right. only go so far, then I gotta let down the jack. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Alright, bro. You're rolling on that side. Keep going. Hold on. I don't want it going rolling.
It's not. It's not itself.
No, I just don't want to.
You know what? Oh, I hate for it to do that.
What do you mean? It's a will. It's different than $300. $1,200 different. Or $2,500. Whatever it's called.
Hammer and the dots.
And there ain't no brakes.
Where we going?
Straight ahead. Just gonna pull the body off and set it there.
Hey, spin it around now.
See one of those.
Okay, then that way if you spin it around, you can set the body right there on it. Or you can just go all the way forward, it will set the body off, and then move the chassis back out.
So you're saying
I'm gonna set the body right there.
like this? Like
Yeah.
just pick, like why don't we just pick it up and go over it?
Because you can't get over. So you gotta pick it up and go this way. It's a lot easier going this way.
So you're saying come this way?
Yes,
off.
come this way.
They're going
I'm
back.
going to come this way.
Why would we not go that way when there's no axle to this body?
Straight. Just go all the way straight.
There's a firewall you gotta
Yep.
My toes.
Yep, it's clear.
You're clear? Yeah, I know.
Oh, I said clear.
Oh, that's good right there.
Yeah, I want y'all to clean all that up.
That's a good calculation.
Right, see right there, that's what.
This here's big.
That's it.
But not here.
This
This
is
ain't
not-
big.
This is bent.
But this ain't.
This is still straight.
This is straight. This is bent here though. But could we cut it here and sleeve it here and then
Yeah.
nut off of it?
Yep. Yep.
Man, this stuff is clean.
I know a good utility guy.
No, a couple of them. Got lucky. I know that rear end bracket's bent.
Well, here's my other thing. It'd probably be easier to drop the rear end here and let it down on the wheels, and then just pick the ass of the car up and put it back on the rack.
Just take the rear end out.
So I'm saying here.
Whatever. I mean, I just, like I say, I got to work on that car tomorrow, so.
That's fine, but I'm just saying, if we take the rear end out here, then we can pick it up and roll.
Here, get up. Don't mess this up. Oh, that's still good. No, just take just go over and get the, these are just poppers in, they'll knock right off. Ow. What do you want?
Well, the chassis is okay. That's the main thing. When we built the car, we always said if I ever did wreck it, we should be able to pull the body off and put a new one on it. So, luckily I can do that. I just gotta fix the back of the car. Everything up front is fine.
Yeah.
I need a shock. I broke the rear end, the
Yeah.
bottom bracket, and I think the B-lock on this wheel's messed up. I don't know. I won't know until I pull it off. But we're just gonna keep working on it. And once I get to find a body, locate one, and be able to go get it, and bring it back and put it back on, then we can build the actual car. Then we'll have something to build on.
Yeah, be careful with that. This here,
So,
don't just
hey,
stand.
don't go. But I mean, luckily I got very lucky. So there's a bunch of work left, but there's a lot of work that is saved. So I got lucky with that. So I think I got out with very minimal. So it's gonna cost me a little bit of time. I don't know when we're gonna be done. We're gonna shoot for something.
Excited?
So, huh?
Excited?
Am I excited?
Yeah.
No, I'm not excited, but I'm excited that it's okay. I ain't gotta start all over until he gets the big jackhammer in. We got it. Well, here, I need it for over here.
Where's blue?
Time.
Yeah, this son bitch does look like Leroy now, don't it? Let's just put a stick in it and put the block in with twins, and we'll go down there and try to rumble down.
Yeah, we got the anti-roll out here.
Man, I don't know if the roadwork's bent.
No, it looks like the red was crooked.
Well, it's gotta be bent somehow because this is bent down. This is definitely down.
This is twisted.
Yeah.
This way, down, and that whole thing there is that way.
That's like it needs to be chopped.
Yeah.
That's right there.
Where are those stickers?
But it was supposed to.
It crinkled where it was supposed to crinkle and it broke where it was supposed to break.
You go with the turbo?
My battery's going dead.
It's surging right now. What you got? Blow on that thing?
No, it's got a turbo.
Oh, it's out of battery.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Raggy.
Did you get it, Kim? So all the things left is brake line, Jay?
Yeah, I'm getting it right now. That's how it wants to be a dick. That's how
We got power now.
Oh, boy. You get it?
Yeah, right there at the T.
Hey, Dobbs, go ahead and pull that cable off. If you want. Just, this envelope here. That there. Let down the bench.
No, pull it up.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead.
Oh, let me cash on that side, yeah.
It's from there.
Splitter 2000.
Say we can run all the way over to the front.
You won't put these out.
Yeah.
Hey, guess what? Stuff, frame.
Let's go frame it.
See everybody who thought it didn't?
See, everybody who
Right
said
there.
who
Right
said this
there.
thing was a pro mod all over Facebook. There's true frame rails in this.
all you had to do was read the manual.
Yeah, I took the doors off by myself, and I like God, I forgot how heavy they were. Like,
We ain't let Cam over here at that pro mod on fiberglass doors.
and he's about to have fiberglass front end.
I know. Hey,
Oh,
I guess
my.
what else? You got one right there too.
Hey, Al,
Ain't no water.
That's what you got one hanging right there on the wall.
Hey, don't bash on the fiberglass guys because you never know what you might end up with.
Fiberglass doors, fiberglass front end.
It's all right there.
Just going
Oh
pro.
no, we ain't gonna run no front end. We're gonna be like the Mustang guy.
Yeah.
Holy.
I ain't worried about a doghouse right now. Only thing I'm worried about is getting the roof.
He's already got
Quarters.
a fiberglass.
That's from that car. Not
You've
this
already
car.
got it. Yeah, we're good.
Let's make it a 4-eyed Malibu.
No front end. somebody said, hey, did you hear what somebody said about Hunter's car? I said, man, your Mustang looks like a 4-chin Camaro now. I said, you can identify as a Camaro.
Hey, we'll make.
By the way, Zach and them had their baby.
Yes, they did.
Yeah,
Congratulations, Zach.
they had their baby. Big gate. Oh, never mind. It's done, went down, it's swelling.
I got it.
Oh.
Swelling.
There she is.
Aw,
Couldn't say the same thing
I'm
about
my uncle. No, mine's still blowed up. So is Zach's. Zach's has got a lot of air in it.
Hey, we do have a new Team 8 Ball member.
She's got a lot of
Yeah.
She do got a lot
See
of.
your head?
Big.
You know, see now?
It ain't as big. It ain't as big.
Got a little conundrum on there.
Is that thing not bolted down?
Everything good?
No. We don't like that being bolted down. I like it.
I'm gonna try to kick it as soon as we go. Oh yeah.
I'll grab it.
Y'all ready? Hey, Jackson, guy.
Y'all can let up a little bit.
Yeah, Dawson Allen's like.
Dog's back there, he's struggling. I'm like, this
Yeah, I don't know.
oh, whoa.
That was not high enough.
It's the lock's fucked up. Go on the side.
Flip it all the way around. Alright, guys, that one down?
Yeah, we're good.
You gonna strap it down on the lid?
No. So what we'll do is we'll
I mean, it's not really center, but.
we'll load a plank.
We'll level it out and level it back with the frame.
You should have seen, dude, when we first put this thing together.
Hey, Joe, take a picture of this. Be like, update.
I think you broke your canoe valve.
It's
Front's
fine.
already off.
It's the stuff.
Hold on, it's right here.
Yeah, you need to work in a junkyard.
Which one?
It's like bulls in China.
Look, I even saved it.
See.
Ta-da!
Anybody want a wall hanger?
I told him, I said, I think your canoe valve's messed up.
Somebody's gonna want the side of my hood. That bitch is cool.
Hey, I mean, talk about it real quick. I mean, I'm pretty sure Joe.
Do it again.
Are we gonna do it on Friday?
I don't know who would want it, but it's cool.
Alright, no. Let it come. Oh, never mind, stop. They're still popping it.
Oh, yes.
I thought it was
First
just
down, rip it
stuck.
This one's got a rivet on it. Okay, unless you get the drill on that.
Hey, don't drill yourself. We don't have insurance.
Say, you entered at your own risk.
I think he's alive at his own risk.
He's supposed to. Hey, he is supposed to. Nothing beats the time we was at the Bolt Docks and he came around that corner and drifted and like all the cops were down there. And he just.
We're all
Slid right up into it.
Hey, we're all at the bottom of the hill going, James, turn around! He's just looking at us like, wow.
He's like, oh, fuck.
A lot of cops there that day. Terrible day.
For you, it was pretty good for everybody else. I mean, it was funny as hell.
I was this close to asking in court if I could get the video of it from the pole.
You probably wouldn't have been out in 3 days.
I don't know.
Bottle bracket straight again.
Oh, I need him. Well, here's my other thing, Dad. Since we're redoing this, should we move the bottles back here so there's just more weight back here? Initial weight? Because I know we're gonna put the radiator back here now. Should we go to a single bottle and put it back here? Put it, Like have the fuel cell, then put the bottle here and run it that way?
No, I don't know.
Does that mean I can ride with you?
Huh?
Does that mean I can ride with you?
Yes, I can go for a ride along.
I can be like, ah!
This is Joe Cam. After pass, how do you feel?
We're gonna put weight blocks back in the back.
Yeah, we're gonna put it back in the corner where they were. I feel like instead of being this way, to turn them this way, we can put more, we'll have more in the back.
Here.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Because we're gonna probably put the radiator about right here. Then if we move, I'm just thinking they get
know
more
what I
weight
am.
off the nose. You know, you're just moving weight.
This is.
Joe said he's gonna do some road racing with you with the
Oh,
camera.
yeah, bent it right here. That you see some pounds.
What's up?
He said he's gonna do some road racing with you like 1320.
Could you imagine going down the expressway and
Oh, my
grabbing all
Lord.
of it?
Shenanigans. I need to
One
see a
time,
video
road
on
racing's
that.
gay, but I would love to do it one time.
When this car was dirty, G, he got me in this thing and then didn't tell me we were gonna make a pass on Old 3rd
Yeah,
Street. I didn't
yeah.
strap in. He was in, and I'm just sitting there and he's,
That's why that gave right there. It's because the anti roll bar picked up, and then when it hit, it pushed it all up. Like
I don't think the inner roll bar's bent though. I think everything behind it is.
No, I don't think it's been either. But then what I'm
I
saying
think
is,
everything below it just ate shit.
because this was hooked to the rear end solid,
Yeah.
and then when it hit with the shocks and everything, that's why it rolled this corner.
And broke the shock.
Yeah, because there's nothing right in between here.
And this corner definitely took the most impact.
I see you put a hydraulic e-brake on it. That way next time it gets loose, you can get that.
hey, you tell me how it fares down in Deckers.
You ain't
gonna stop.
Because it's glass.
Take
Brake line.
Uh,
Brake
brake line,
fluid.
put some rag around it, tape it up or whatever.
Or hey, can we just take a pair of pliers and
This is still brake line, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's,
the wire,
Angle it up.
braid the line?
Yeah.
Tape
Say
it.
tape
Tape
it.
it. Tape it there.
Yeah, red piece tape over there behind you, Parker. Or they're all in there, right there.
There you go. Yeah.